Connect hub mounted on the wall, and a couple of the features that I'm hoping to get rid of is the flashing light, as well as the alarm tone that kind of sounds like there's a fire alarm going off every time that you actually close the garage. When you're opening the garage, nothing happens. So let's go through opening and closing the garage with the app. Okay, so you can see there that nothing happened when I opened the garage, but let's go ahead and now close that garage. So as you can see right there, it flashes a bright LED light as well as setting off like some tone to let people know that the garage door is closing, but the door makes enough noise already to alert those that are coming and going. So I'm going to disable the light. So I'm going to go through how I'm going to actually disable that speaker and block the light from happening. So let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so I've got the My Chamberlain hub right here. It comes apart fairly simple. There's just a couple T15s on the back, one there, one there. So I'll go ahead and take that off to start. This cover just comes right off. So there's the cover, and there's that one piece right there. Just make sure that you can see that. So as you can see, these are the buttons that you see on the outside. This is the LEDs here. You could heat these up and just take them off. They're just held in with solder. And then this piece right here is the actual sounder. So a lot of people, what they do is they drill a hole right here, and then they just go ahead and put a screw in it. But you can also just grab a pair of pliers I have here, and then just grab it. And take it off. So there's that piece right there. So that takes care of the speaker. It's not going to make any noise at all now, which is good. The next step is to cover this LED strip here. What I've got some small black foam that I've verified that it doesn't let much light through. And what I've gone and done is just cut a piece of it off. So I have that piece right here, pretty straightforward. And then all I do is place it over top of the LEDs. At that point, I'm just going to go ahead, put the cover back on, like that, and then just put the screws back on. So now you can see the LEDs are covered, and this is not going to make any noise. So I'm going to go ahead, plug this back in, and then we'll give it another shot. Okay, so now I've got that back in the right place. I'm going to go ahead and do the test one more time. So you can see it is closed. So let's go ahead and open the garage door. And I'm now going to go ahead and close the garage door. So as you can see, there's no sound anymore and there's no light flashing. So okay, so that was a pretty quick fix for the MyQ wireless garage door opener, where when you're closing the doors, it flashes and makes an alarm sound that's kind of like a fire alarm. In the middle of the night, I wouldn't want that going off. So I've disabled the light as well as the sound. Again, it is a safety precaution that they're probably required to enable on that, but there's nothing to say that you can't turn it off. So if you do this, you do it at your own risk, like I did. Anyway, if you found this interesting, I've got an install video of the MyQ connected hub. Anyway, that video is right here, so go ahead and take a look at it. Thanks for watching.